Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is James with Grindstone Design. Today, we are going to show you how to get your pages indexed in Google Search Console so they show up on search engines if the auto validation is giving you problems. So, here we are in one of our clients' websites right here. Here you can see under indexing that there are 16 pages indexed with two pages. I'm sorry, there's 16 not indexed with only two pages being indexed. There we go. So, what we're going to do is we're going to open up this full report here in this column, and you can read up on the differences between each of these pages. With a redirect could be uh, you didn't have SSL set up, and then you set up HTTPS, so there was a redirect in place. That way, no one's traveling to the HTTP version of your site, only with HTTPS, so it's showing secured. Excluded by no index is going to be your robot.txt file that's telling Google which pages you don't want, like your admin page or your account page, for example. What we're going to be going over and what we want validated in this case is the ones labeled discovered, currently not indexed. If you click learn more, Google will give you documentation onto why this is happening and a little bit more information. But basically, it means that Google has crawled the pages, but it has not indexed them. So you see here we have validation started from the time of recording. This was about 2 weeks ago. It's still not updated. So what I'll go ahead and do is split my screens here. And now we are just going to go down the list. So if you go to your pages tab here, make sure that's open. And now you will search, and here it's going to tell you everything about the site when it was last crawled. Google Search Console did make a post on Twitter a while ago saying that if you want update current information on whether or not something is indexed, use inspect URL. That is super, super crucial, very important. There is a large lag time from what's going on when you're just viewing pages like you see here on this right side. So all you do is super simple. You will request indexing. It's going to take a minute or two, and we're going to pause, let this happen, and we'll be right back. Everybody, we are back. So as you can see, you'll have a check here that says indexing requested. That took probably about 2 minutes. And now we'll go ahead and make the entire way down this list. And that's pretty much all you have to do. Every time I've submitted a URL this way to Google, it does index it. I've been doing this for several of my clients these past few weeks, and we have been seeing a lot of good results and getting page indexes and impressions starting to pop off on Google Analytics. So yeah, want to thank you guys for watching. Please click subscribe. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer you or get a video made up to address your question. Have a good day, guys.